Hi there, students. To embrace. To put your arms around somebody and to hug them. Yeah, to show them that you that they are important to you. Okay? To embrace. Yes, and embrace as well. To hold someone tightly with both arms to express love or liking or sympathy, or when saying hello or when somebody's leaving. He embraced his family on the station platform before he got into the train. Okay, so to embrace, to hug, to hold lovingly. Then to embrace, to adopt a new system. He embraced the new way of working. It's like you hug it and you use it eagerly and enthusiastically. Okay, so you embrace a new cause, you embrace a new way of working. Okay, is to be happy to use it, to take it up eagerly, yeah, to be happy to do it. So the citizens embraced the new laws because they were fair, yeah. Okay, so to embrace something, to take it, to be happy with it. And then to embrace, to cover, to span. So this course that we are doing embraces many varied topics. It covers, it encompasses, it encloses, it surrounds. Yeah. Okay, so this project embraces many and various different disciplines. Okay, so to embrace, to hold somebody tightly with both arms. I love you. Yeah, I think probably hug is better when you're romantically involved. You could embrace them though. You embrace your children, you embrace your family, you embrace a friend. To accept something enthusiastically. He embraced the opportunity, so he hugged it. Yeah, he took it on, he accepted it enthusiastically. Yeah, to accept something that's new very, very happily. To embrace, to include something. To include, often including a large number of things. So good English embraces various different things such as grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, writing, understanding. Yeah, it embraces all sorts of different things. Okay, so to embrace, to hug. To embrace, to accept with enthusiasm, to embrace, to cover various different things. Okay, so I embrace the new technology. Yeah, you see, I'm here. Yeah, an old man with grey hair, and he's embraced the new technologies. You take it to heart. You welcome it. You accept it. Yeah, you are very happy with it. To embrace, to include, to cover, to contain. So I don't know, being a boss of a group embraces various different disciplines. It involves, it includes, it has as part of. So to embrace a challenge, to be happy to meet the challenge, to embrace a concept, to take it on, to embrace a lifestyle, to begin to live in that way, to embrace an idea, to to suck it in, to be happy to have it, to accept it, to support it, to believe in it, to embrace, to cover a group of various different things. Yeah, it includes them in the group. So this theory embraces various different disciplines. It includes, it involves, it covers, it deals with. Okay, so formality, to embrace. 6 informality, maybe 5.5. I think you could use informally. It's probably better semi-formal or semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or even something formal. I embrace this new concept. I'm very happy to take it on. 6 informality, semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing or above. This project embraces many disciplines, covers, spans. 6.5 informality, using a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or something formal. Let's see. As to origin, well, firstly, from French, embrasser, to kiss, an embrace, a kiss, or a hug as well. From late Latin, imbracciare, inside, and brachium, the arms, inside your arms. So embrace, inside the arms, and that's the idea. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To embrace, embrace, and embrace.